Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to walk through how to sell a product that isn't in your database. From the Shopify dashboard, click Orders in the left-hand navigation, and then click the Create Order button. From the Draft Order screen, start by assigning this order to a customer. Either select an existing customer from the drop-down, or create a new customer for this order. After assigning your draft order to a customer, click the Add Custom Item link at the top of the page. When the modal appears, enter the item's details. Give it a name, price, and quantity, and select whether or not it's taxable and whether or not it requires shipping. If your item requires shipping, enter a weight to help you accurately generate a shipping quote. However, if you're offering flat rate or free shipping, this information is not required. If everything looks good, click the Done button at the bottom right-hand corner of the modal. After adding your custom product, go ahead and click the Search Products bar to add any number of existing products to your order. Once your draft order is complete, click the Save button that appears in the bar along the top of the screen. If you're creating this order for a customer in real time, go ahead and click the Collect Payment button to enter their credit card details. Alternatively, click the Send Invoice button to request payment from your chosen customer. The customer's email address will automatically be pulled from their customer account. Go ahead and give your email a subject, and include whatever custom message you would like to send along with the invoice. Once you're happy with your message settings, click the Review Invoice button. Take a moment to review your completed message and the attached invoice. If everything looks good, click the Send Invoice button, and your message will be sent to your chosen customer. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know how to sell a custom item that doesn't exist within your product database.